So let's take a closer look inside. So this is the boat. And everything a real sailor needs: rum and cheap $2 wine from Trader Joe's. So here we have the shower and my living room. Yes, I sleep on this side, and yes, that is a teddy bear. I don't care. And someone else is going to sleep here. I hope she's really pretty. Okay, and then we go to Michael's room. This is Michael's desk. As you can see, he's not very good in cleaning up his stuff. And as you can see at his room, it's even worse. Oh, Michael, you should clean up your room. And that is my working station. There we have our neighbors.
Hello.
So I was invited by a neighbor's boat to have some drinks over there. And I meet this guy, Paolo, from San Diego Prestige.com. He rents out super expensive cars, and he's like, hey, I'm gonna pick up a car tomorrow. Do you want to drive in one of those cars? I'm like, hell yeah. So we're at the office of San Diego Prestige now. Hey.
Hey,
So what are we gonna take out today?
the Lamborghini Huracan.
Nice. I'm ready to go. Forwards. Ah, cool.
Right now it's automatic.
Hello.
You want automatic? Or you want to change gears?
I'll change gears.
Okay, so put it manual. Okay,
Okay. How do I change gears?
right here. Up, down.
Okay, I'll push it towards me, right?
So you gotta be careful with getting out of here.
Okay.
Because the dump, you know.
Okay.
So
Right here.
right now the car is up. The front is up. So you gotta go like this and then diagonal.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go right
Like,
here.
yeah, but go like this and
Okay.
get diagonal.
I'll just take this corner and then go from
Exactly.
left to right.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Let's do this.
Let him go. That light, the gas station.
Wait, am I going now?
Yeah.
Okay.
The police right there.
Yeah. Okay, and now I'll go into manual. This was fun. Man, this was awesome. Shake that booty, Michael.
Oh no.
I'm going to shower, but we need to loosen this guy up a little bit. That'll do it. Come on!
Sure. If you're comfortable, you can continue to stand up. Okay? Don't try to go on your knees right, on your feet right away. Like hold the handle. Hold the handle from the top. Yeah. There you go.
Hi. So this is the gym of the marina. You gotta stay in shape too, right?
Yeah, that feels good. Oh,
You think Arnold goes like that?
so strong. Look at me. I'm so big, huge.
No, you have to have him wear a shirt like this.
Oh, yeah. Look at those muscles. They're growing. As I'm speaking, they're getting bigger. Ooh.
Then when you're done, you do this. I'm done for today. We bought this weird stuff at a Korean place. And I'm gonna try it out. It looks like snot. And just when I thought that was disgusting,
He's buying my next 5 drinks for the night.
3.
5.
3 for sure.
Eyeball.
this guy just ate an eyeball from a fish.
How is it?
That's disgusting.
You have one too.
Yummy, huh? Nope. That was so gross.
You can be even. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay now.
So then last night, Paolo said, "Hey, I'm gonna get a Ferrari tomorrow. You wanna come for that one too?" So we're going to pick up the Ferrari, right?
Yes, Ferrari, California.
And you just put on the massage chair for me.
I'm fine. And first of all,
I like this.
financial resources and making sure everyone has clean water. Perhaps we should focus.
Your love is all I need in my world. Okay, so today we're gonna take out the Ferrari. My world, how could I ever live without you? Il mondo, my heart belongs to you, so take it and promise me you'll never. Can you imagine going like this to your work? All those people are probably thinking, that young rich nut, I hate him.
Yeah, that's right. Especially in the Ferrari.
He's driving a Ferrari already. I hate him.
Yeah. People don't like that.
Sometimes it's also fun to drive these cars like slow, you know.
Yeah,
Drive
exactly.
fast. You know you're faster as everyone anyway, so why would you drive fast? And then after a few weeks of work, we're taking her out. So we did a test today with the life vest. This is my life vest. Safety, safety.
Woo! All good. Wahoo! We're on our way.
So today I've learned to start the boat and how to lower the sails a little bit. So I think if somebody goes overboard, we'll be fine. And here a sneak preview of episode 2. I really need to learn something more about sailing, so we're going out with Nate! Hi Nate!
Hi. So the idea is to always keep your sails trimmed. So it's real important to keep your sails trimmed.
I'm starting to get drunk from this beer.
Good. That's what it's supposed to do. It's doing its job.